Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So in the series of base conversion in digital electronics, today we will learn about the decimal to octal conversion, right? We will convert decimal number system into a octal number system, right? So the base of the decimal number system is given by 10 and the base of octal number system is 8. So in the last video we have seen how do we convert a decimal number system into a binary number system. So we took the same decimal number system 59.625 and we have converted it into a binary number system. Now we will take the same number decimal number 59.625 and I will convert it into a octal number system, right? So this is integer part, 59 is integer part and 0.625 is a fractional part, right? So first let us consider first integer part. So this is operation 59 divided by 8. So if you divide 59 by 8, 8 7 ja 56. So you will get quotient 7 and remainder 3, right? Quotient 7 and remainder 3. And now again you have to divide by 7 divided by 8. So you will get this time quotient 0 and remainder 7. Okay, so if you ask question why we dividing this integer part to 8, so you are converting decimal to uh, octal. That means the base of octal is 8, so you have to divide the decimal number to the base of 8. So that's what I have done here. Okay, so this 3 is LSB and this 7 is MSB, and for integer part to convert it into a octal you have to write from MSB to LSB. So 59 equivalent to the 73 decimal, right? So you can write here 59 with the base of 10 can be written as 73 with the base of 8, right? Now we will convert this fractional part 0.625, right, into the octal number. So 0.625 if you multiply by 8, here you have performed the division operation, here you will perform the multiplication operation, right? So 0.625 into 8 you will get 5, right? 5.000. So here you can see this 5 is carry, so it goes here. Now since you have 0 here, point point 0 into, if you multiply by 8 you will get here 0. So there is no point of conversion. Now you have to convert up unless and until you will get 0 at your fractional part. So here you already got the 0 in the very first iteration, right? So uh, 0.625 in the octal number can be written by zero point 0.5, right? So 59.625 to base 10 can be written in the octal number 73.5 of base 8, right? So, so hope you understand how do we convert a decimal number system into a octal number system. So I said just now you have to do multiplication unless and until you get 0 at your fractional part. So here you can see you already got 0, and for integer part you have to divide unless and until you get 0 at your quotient. Okay, so hope you understand how do we convert a decimal number system into a octal number system. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.